Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change flights on Expedia in 2024. So whether you have plans or your plans become unexpectedly shifted or you simply need to adjust your itinerary or your flights, knowing how to navigate the process seamlessly can save you time and stress. So let's explore the steps of changing your flights on Expedia in 2024. And so make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you will need to go and open a browser that you're going to use to follow these tutorial steps with. And before diving into the process, assess the reasons behind your needs to change your flight, whether it's scheduling conflicts, travel restrictions, or some personal reasons. Understanding the purpose will help streamline the process and determine any associated fees or restriction. Now you'll need to go to Expedia page. Go to the CRL section. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want, browser. So go to the CRL section, type Expedia, hit the enter button. Once you're here, make sure to click on this first link, which is Expedia Travel, Vacation, Homes, Hotels, Car Rentals, and etc. And then make sure to go and sign in into your account. Because of course, you normally, when you try to catch a flight, you normally have to create an account. Of course, you can do it as a guest, but normally people have an account. So make sure to sign in into an account. For me here, I'm going to use Google, so I don't have to go through all the boring steps of signing up into my account. And as you can see by continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preferences, and profile picture with Expedia. You can see the Expedia privacy policy and terms of service if you want to. For me, I don't want to read it, so I'll just go here and click on continue. Once I do so, I should be logged in into my account right away. So I'll just go here and click on continue. Of course, you can join the reward program if you want to. Yeah, of course, you can see how to use your rewards if you want to. So there's a lot of things that you can do. So, of course, here you can choose stays, flights, cars, packages, things to do in cruises. We don't want all of that. Of course, you can even get the app as example if you click in here to download it on your phone. If you're using like an Android or iPhone, just scan this QR code and you'll be able to download this right away. So once you logged in into your accounts, you can simply just go to this trips option, as you can see at the top right corner. Just go and click on that. And as you can see, for me, you have no upcoming trips. Where are you going next? So we'll have to start exploring. For you, as an example, you will find your trip that you are going to change, whether it's a flights, a hotel booking, whatever it is. And of course, you can review, or if you have like many, first of all, make sure to locate the flight reservation you want to change or you wish to change and select it to view the booking details. Just click on it. A simple click will be enough. Then you will be able to review the changes options and fees associated with your specific flight booking. Expedia's policies may vary depending on factors such as the airline, fare type, and time of the change requests. So take note of any applicable fees and restriction before proceeding. And once you've assessed the option and fees, proceed to initiate the change request. You can look for change flights or modify booking option, and typically it will be located next to your flight details. You can click on the option to begin the process of modifying your reservation. You can also explore the available flight option for your new flights. You can use the search filters in Expedia basically here. Go to Expedia and click on flight and start searching for a new one. Of course, that if you choose here like a full refund, normally, I don't know if you have like a better plan for the ticket that you got, you may have a full refund. So if you got your refund, you don't want like the flight anymore, you're just gonna look for another one, you'll be able to. If you didn't, you'll be able to change like just the time. As example, you're not gonna catch this one, you're just gonna try to get the other one. But as example, if you change even the place that you're going, maybe as example, you were going from Madrid to Paris and you changed your mind, you're now going as example to Japan, from Madrid to Japan. So make sure to get your refund and simply start exploring flights. Example, you're going from Madrid, as an example, to Japan, so maybe Tokyo, as an example here. And you can simply choose the airport that you want, maybe this one, and simply choose the dates that you're going to travel on. One traveler, you can add a car or a place to stay, then click on search, and you can search for the flight that you want. You can select the few, like the new flight option here. So, of course, you can choose based on factors such as date, time, airline, and even price, depending on whatever you want. And you can select the desired flight that best fits your updated travel plans. So after that, carefully review the details so you don't have, of course, of your updated like flight, especially if you are trying to, if you try to change the flight because of some missed information. So make sure to carefully review those details and double check all the information is accurate before proceeding to confirm your new flight or even the changes if you're just trying to change from here. Once you're satisfied, finalize the modification by confirming the new flights and you'll basically good to go. Of course, try to look for better price example on other days if you didn't like this. As example, like kinda $300 deficits, which is actually a lot. So, of course, after that, upon like confirming the changes or having a new flight, you'll receive a confirmation email from Expedia containing the updated flight details. Take note of your new flight information, including booking references number and any changes to seating or amenities. And if you encounter any difficulties you have some specific questions about the change process, don't hesitate to contact the Expedia customer support team for assistance. They can provide guidance, address concerns, and help you resolve any issues related to your flight change. If you don't know how to contact them, you can simply just scroll down to the bottom of any page on Expedia and you'll find an example here, help, support. Make sure to click on it as an example. You'll be able to cancel your hotel vacation rental booking, cancel your flight as an example to get a refund timelines, policies, and processes to read it before even you cancel or you change something, use some Expedia coupon or international travel documents. So, as example, on this help center, you'll be able to search for a specific question that you have. And if you didn't find what you have specifically, you can go to the bottom right corner here, help option, click on it, and try to leave your message here. They're trying to come back to you as soon as possible. Of course, you'll be talking to an AI first, but if he's not able to answer you, you'll be taken to some real time people to help you out. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.